Understanding steep price in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in conversations about shopping, negotiations, and economics. Steep price. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it in your day-to-day English conversations, you've come to the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase together. When we hear the word steep, we might think of a high mountain slope or a sharp increase. In the context of pricing, steep price carries a similar idea. It refers to a cost that is particularly high or greater than average. It doesn't necessarily mean the price is unfair. Instead, it implies that the price is at a level that may cause some consideration or hesitation before purchase. You can use steep price in various situations. It's often utilized to emphasize the expense of an item or service. For instance, when talking about the latest electronics, you might say, "The latest smartphone model comes at a steep price." This phrase can also be metaphorical, referring to a high cost in terms of effort, sacrifice, or consequence. For example, he achieved success, but at a steep price. Let's look at some examples to see how steep price fits into everyday conversation. Many believe that the convenience of living in the city center comes with a steep price. The company had to pay a steep price for the new software update to stay ahead of the competition. She was willing to pay the steep price for a first-class ticket to ensure she had a comfortable flight. In each of these sentences, steep price is used to express the notion of a significant cost or expenditure, whether it's about money, time, or other resources. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you better express the concept of a high cost. Some synonyms for steep price include exorbitant cost, high price, hefty price tag, premium price. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase steep price. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning these phrases can add depth to your language skills and help you speak more naturally. Keep practicing, and don't let the fear of a steep learning curve keep you from reaching new heights in English. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.